Hello there, I'd like to tell you about this white picture frame that I have here. This is me and my wife in our marriage photo. This is often what it's used for. Now I think it's pretty good quality frame. You can see it, it's about this size. Yeah, it is a very white wooden frame in the front. And if you go to the back, there's multiple ways you can hang it up. You can hang it up either on the wall with this, or you put it down like that. Now the glass, I think the glass quality is also pretty good. The front, it's a plastic on the front here too, and you can see through quite well, so it becomes a good quality picture, no problem there. And I think it is a great picture frame. Now I don't see any marks on it. I have had this for 2 years now. No marks or anything. Though it does stay in one place and we don't really touch it. But yeah, so you can definitely buy with confidence this frame.